Hello everyone, today I'm gonna teach programmable logic controller. I will say PLC. Let's start. This video we will learn how can I install programmable logic controller app. We will use GMT suite because it's basic and it's made from Turkey. Let's start the video. First, you need to open Google. After that, you need to write GMT suite. After that, enter this website. After that, click the support tab and click this download button. When it's done, click the file and you must see this screen. Click more info. After that, click run anyway. 100% it's reliable. App gonna be running. Finish. After that, write GMT suite and open this tab. We need to create new folder. Its names will be lesson for metal. You have to select PLC. We will see. We are gonna select GLC 496R. Open this. You see this screen and that's it. This video we learned how can we install GMT suite. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.